LKG. My school name is Sri Vivekananda School. This is an English medium school. This is one of the best schools in the village. This is a small school but very beautiful. The school organizes many programs. National Session, Saraswati Pujai, Ayuda Pujai, Pongal, Deepavali. My school teachers are very kind and they caring to everyone and like to come to school every day and love my school very much. Thank you.